Circular pattern, again, is another really kind of easy command to work with. So if I go in, I can start it from the same rectangular pattern like I did before, but then just tell it to be a circular pattern. And I'm going to pick my feature that I want to pattern. And then for axis, I can pick a few different things. One, I can pick just this outer face here. Pick the circular edge there. Or I could go out and grab that axis there. So either way, I can have axis, either my origin axis or a construction axis or a cylindrical face or a circular edge, and any of those will work to help define it. And it could even be a conical surface there, anything with it that defines a center axis. Now I can tell it how many things I want. If I want it to go all the way around, first partial, or if I want symmetric, so half each way, and say OK. So now I can create that there. Easy command to use going around a circle, and using it for patterning a component or body is the same thing as patterning a feature. One of the other things we can use those for is, okay, I've got this part here, now I've got this pattern here. If I used mirror on this, if I did mirror, I told it to mirror so that cut and that pattern, mirrored across a midplane there, go midplane in, throw another one in, no, the other way, should have drawn this on the center. There we go. So if I do a mirror across one of those planes, so grab there, that feature there, and I mirrored across here, it's going to be the same thing. That void is going to be on that kind of the same side on both sides. But if I want it to be kind of the opposite way, where this one is on this side and these are kind of over here, then I can use circular pattern to do that. And do that mirror and create an axis there. Planes, boom, boom. And now I do a circular pattern and pick those same features. There, there. Now I pick my axis in the middle. I guess I could have picked that center hole also, until I just want two of them. Now you can see that as I rotate around, it's always going to be of the left side of the face I'm looking at, the left side of one and the right side of the other. Kind of a little cool trick you can do by using a circular pattern, even on a rectangular